Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Maulidi. I'm from to class 12 social 2. I will explain about the rain process. Rain process. How does the rain occur? This is the explanation. The occurrence of rain starts from the evaporation process caused by sunlight. Water contained in reefers, seas, or other sources will experience evaporation. After that, the condensation process will occur due to the increased vapor yield. Water vapor will turn to the air temperature increases and makes the dew point. More and more condensed cold will from and the wind will carry the cold white water droplets to a location where the temperature is low. This cold will gather into larger gray clouds. Raindrop condense around microscopic material called condensation cores. Types of rain. Apparently, there are many types of rain. These different types of rain are caused by several different factors. Frontal rain occurs because of the meeting between summer wind that bring moisture and low temperature air. Orographic rain occur in mountainous area or places that affect altitude areas. Zenith rain, or commonly called as convection rain, is rain happening around the equator. Convection rain occurs because of the meeting of the north trade wind with the southeast trade wind, forming clouds that rise vertical to heating by the sun.